the zone. I'm ready.
This is Christian Wahl, the defending champion of the Ball d'Or. So far, it's all been pretty relaxed, doing things that you're comfortable with. For our final session in the mountains, we want you to feel uncomfortable, feel afraid. So our next activity is we are going sailing in the mountains.
We're going paragliding!
We're going
How is it?
You see the kites?
The
paragliders.
paragliding.
Really?
Yeah!
So excited at the same time. I'm a bit scared of the height, but I think it's something that you need to do once in life, no?
You want to go with the crazy one?
Yeah.
We can make it crazy, yeah?
Yeah?
No, there's no turning back. Well, there is.
I'm in the zone. I'm ready.
We did some turns. Oh my god. Oh my god. Real roller coaster.
A little bit sick, yeah. We did too many wingovers, and I was like,
You prefer to try running now? No, okay.
Had a crazy busy day. We went trail running with Mike this morning. We went paragliding. I finally got over my sickness and managed to eat some lunch, and now we're on our way back to Geneva.
pretty excited to get going, to meet the team and also to start sailing on the boat.
So right now there's not much breeze, but the guy said by 11 o'clock we should have a few knots, which would be nice for us so we can get to know the boat when it's not too windy.
Looks a bit intimidating.
In and out.
The permanent crew are explaining, how everything works on the boat, and it's pretty sophisticated racing machines.
Yeah, I got it all. I'm ready.
On a quelques jours pour vraiment créer une équipe, quoi. Donc ça va être l'un des challenges les plus importants de l'année.
Okay, that's good, Christian.
It's getting better, faster. There is more wind even over there. So it's starting to be exciting. Let's see how it goes.
Okay, we are going to tack.
It was amazing. Quite fast, quite difficult. A lot of new things to learn, but they were really patient and explaining a lot of things a couple of times until I got it.
What do you think? I mean, the training was good, but racing, are they ready for that? How do you feel?
So the challenge is very big, and the time is short. I am a winner too. I want to win this race. We have to take decision to have the best team on board, so we will decide tomorrow.
We're going to sail with the defending champion, the man who has won the Ball d'Or more than any human. It's our second day of training here in Geneva, and it's a really important day. We're gonna take the learnings from yesterday, and also today we've got to make some tough decisions. So, yeah, there's a lot to do.
Well, the weaknesses of the team, for sure, you cannot be a perfect team after 2 days of sailing. So we are all trying our best, but the maneuvers will not be 100% perfect. And it's all about sailing at the best we can at that point.
So we've had 2 days of training. What did you think of our squad? How have they been?
It's difficult to have 3 girls who don't know the boat at this time.
Now we really need to focus on the race and the team that you are happy with.
We need more competence on board. And Anja, she's less experienced. It's a little bit more difficult for her. I think we have to call Lauren Metro.
Blasting into gate 2, we see Lauren Metro there, left-hand side of the screen, grinding.
She knows very well the D35. She knows the lake.
Need 100 men, 100 scopes, 100 cans, just for you to watch what I'm doing under the sun again. God-given gift, them seeds to win the running man. If you want me to get it, pop.